Here in the video, we are going to talk about Star Citizen error code 30003. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to log into the game. Some players have shared that the error appears shortly after the loading screen. For others, it allows them to log in and play for a short time before disconnecting with the same error message. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a network issue or a bug within the game. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network. Then check if you need to update the game. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still comes, check if your Windows and drivers are up to date. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error. If the error still persists, try verifying the game files from the game launcher. Once the process is complete, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. If the issue is due to a bug, there might be an update soon or the issue may resolve itself. At last, if the error continues for too long, we suggest you contact the game support or consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up any data that might be deleted. If you decide to reinstall, make sure to remove all user folders and clear Star Citizen from your registry. You can also use a tool like Revo Uninstaller to completely uninstall the game with all its files. Once done, reinstall and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.